Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making some amazing, delicious Guyanese pinwheel. This is another one of my childhood fave and I do hope you guys love this video and please try this recipe. If you guys are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Let's jump right into this video. So here are the ingredients for the filling and they will be in the description box with the measurements. To a preheated pan, I'll be adding about 1.5 tablespoons of oil, some onions and scallions. I'm adding my meat after about 60 seconds. Go in with some Worcestershire sauce and allow this to cook for about 5 minutes. Then I go in with some bouillon. Now you can season this meat to your likeness and taste. All right, so here I'm adding my green seasoning. If you do not have that, that is just fine. I'll go in with some bell peppers for colors and extra flavor. And some soy sauce to give it the color. And there I just add some chives and onion cream cheese. That is also optional. Then I'm adding some ketchup for additional color and the sweetness. Go in with some fresh parsley. Now this took about 12 to 15 minutes. It's beautiful, guys. I can just eat this with some rice or pasta and I'm good. All right, so now we are going to let this cool. Look at that, guys, before we work with it. So now we are going to make our dough. So here I have some flour and some brown sugar and some salt. You can also use white sugar. Whisk that in, then I'm going in with some yeast and some melted butter and egg. Now I'm using some warm milk just to pull the dough together. Now we are going to knead this dough for about 5 minutes. Then we're going to rub some oil over the top and let it sit for about 40 minutes. After which we are going to preheat our oven to about 355 degrees. Then we are going to roll this dough out. Now we are going to add our ketchup and chili pepper mixture. And this also gives the pinwheel that beautiful color as well and extra kick. If you do not like the heat, do not add that. You can choose to omit that step. Then you go in with your meat and your cheese. You can add as much cheese as you like or not. And then we are going to roll this up into a really tight log. All right, this looks perfect. I grease my pie dish and I'm using a floss to cut the pinwheels. So you can also use a really sharp knife. Look at that, guys. Perfection. Okay, then we're gonna place that in our well-greased dish or pan. And we want to give them room. Perfect. So you can tell me if you guys ever had pinwheel before and if you like it. So now we are going to bake, but before I do, I'm going to place a parchment paper right over the top to prevent the meat from burning. And see, that looks beautiful. So this actually bakes for about 35 minutes. Then we remove and place some cheese right over the top. And then we're going to place this back in the oven for it just to melt. And then we're going in with some ketchup. So I did add a little bit more cheese on top and serve. This was absolutely delicious. Thank you guys so much for spending the time with me today. Love you guys, and I see y'all on the next video. Bye-bye.